Hey you guys, Sylvia here and welcome all to my Workforce AI review. So here we have it. This is the sales page. You'll get to the sales page, guys, via my written review, which is down below in the description box. You just need to click one of the so-called call to action buttons and you will be redirected to the sales page. And you can check all of it out. This is the newest launch by FREEBIES and his launch partner. I'm going to show them to you right now. These are the vendors. This is a JVisu launch. I would say the high quality vendors. I've reviewed many of the products. They always deliver the good quality software products. Yeah, so guys, this is your AI powerhouse. The members area is here. I've got the review access. So I show you around. There's so much to show, to demonstrate, to go through. I mean, I could not possibly, guys, demonstrate all of the features we have here, or else I would be here for 1 or 2 hours. Now, you will have tutorials, of course, here. You just navigate to this button here, or even if you just go further down, this is like a 21 minutes long demo, and then you have some knowledge base. But it's pretty straightforward, okay, what you have here to play with, to use, okay. You can integrate this software with your WordPress, just clicking here on integrations, and here is where you manage the whole integration with your WordPress website. And by doing so, it is going to be, whatever you write with this software, again, this software is connected with all kinds of AI tools. So if you're paying, say, for Midjourney or for Leonardo.ai, even though Leonardo.ai gives you many free credits, okay, every day. But if you, say, have Midjourney or some other AI platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek AI, Gemini Pro, DALL-E, right? 11 labs, okay? You can generate amazing voiceovers with this software as well, with 11 labs. Now, what's under which offer? This is a different story. So, I have written this review in such a way to give you a proper breakdown of the features, benefits. So, trust me, go check out the review, go through every single of the the sections, through all of the sections of my review, and you will understand the product. But we'll go through the funnel as well at the end after I've finished going through the members area. Okay, I just want to say that you can start with as little as $37. And the front end will allow you to generate AI content, all kinds of articles, blogs, emails, this and that, okay? Images. But in a very cool way, I actually demonstrate how to create the images. I love, because you can create them in a style of Leonardo DiCaprio. I'm joking. Leonardo da Vinci, okay? And other artists from the past, or even, I guess, current ones, present ones. You can create images, voiceovers, and even chatbots. As you can see, the rest of the upsells are right here. And there's even the bundle deal, which is a one-time payment, no recurring fees ever, and it's all of the upsells at the discounted price. And normally the bundle deal is only at a one-time price, is only available during the launch. So the product launched only today. So you guys have a few days to make up your mind whether you want to go invest in the one-time payment bundle deal. And that's all of the upsells that you will find in this funnel. And of course, I give you some bonuses as well. Now, let's check out the members area. Let's check out this tool. So we've got the dashboard here. So you can navigate from here, create images, text to video, video to video, or text to video, video to video. Interesting, right? Reanimate your videos at lightning fast speed. You can reanimate your videos, the videos you already have, okay, and change them up. Interesting. Or text to video, just write, and that text will be transformed magically into a video. Now, I cannot present this one or that one because I only have front-end access, and these features come with some of the upsells. Okay? That's why having the bundle deal would be really ideal, because you have all limits removed. On the front end, you will have some limits as to how many credits you will have. It's not quite clear how many, to me, at least to me, but a lot, okay? A lot. But if you want unlimited, you'll have to pick up the, I think it's OTO number 1, which is unlimited. Right, but let me show you how to create images. So, you see, this is the fox I created. The prompt I gave it was, what was the prompt? Cute animated Arctic fox standing outside the cave surrounded by snowy mountains. And I chose the mood as cheerful, and Dali created that, and the artist style Leonardo da Vinci. Very nice, right? I loved it. So that's what I mean. This is, you just give it a prompt, it creates them quickly. You choose which AI you want to use for this project. And guys, you have so many, do realize that. I mean, really, your mind is the limit here as how you can use the tool, for what purposes. You can use it as a freelancer, okay, on Fiverr, and sell all kinds of gigs that you will be delivering quickly. You know, the work will be speeded up for you like there's no tomorrow. With this tool, you can create, I mean, yeah, you can go nuts. You can go nuts. Right, okay. Now, you see, this is the style. I don't know why it's not moving. Let me just move myself up here. So, hold on. Yeah, there you go. So, image style, lightning style, image medium, or what other sizes do we have? Oh, wow. Pencil. Charcoal, very cool, like sketching and all of that. I love it. I'll play around with it a bit more as well. The mood, disappointed, crying, sad, neutral, happy, calm, cheerful, you see? Artist name. This is something I have not seen before, to be honest. When it comes to any image generating tools, AI image generating tools, look how many styles you can pick from. Pretty awesome for that alone. And this is just the beginning of the story, okay? Alright guys, so the rest, what's the rest? We have AI videos here, AI voiceovers is done here by clicking on that. AI chatbots you can create. AI vision, I'm not even sure what that means, to be brutally honest with you. It's just too much to go through. It's all very well described in my review and on the sales page as well, okay? All of the features. You can create codes, you can do coding, chat, like AI web chat, voice isolator. I'm not even sure what that means, to be honest with you. I mean, some of them are sort of like going over my head. I mean, probably I would have to dive much deeper into the software to understand some of the features. I'm telling you, I've never seen a tool like this that combines so many features. They're all in one place, so many AI platforms. It's pretty mind-blowing. So, yeah, and these vendors are good. And they're here to stay. They always create high-quality software products. So I support them because, they do a good job. Let's just go through the funnel. So the OTO number 1, Workforce AI Unlimited, removes all usage limits for unlimited AI content. Chatbots, you can create chatbots. Okay, unlimited. So whatever you get with the front end, but all limits removed. Okay, so that's that. OTO number 2 is the Pro for 77. And OTO number 1 was 67. So it adds AI-powered video creation. So the video creation you don't have on the front end. Let me make that clear and transparent. Voice cloning, like you can clone your own voice using 11 Labs. That's amazing. 11 Labs is by far the best, okay? At least to my knowledge, okay? AI Sound Studio as well. So yeah, you can create songs too. So cool. So good. Nice. And then OTO number 3, Workplace AI Business Automation, unlocks AI chatbot builders, so you can create chatbots, social media automation, and lead generation tools. OTO number 4, Workforce AI Content Vault, and the OTO number 3 was, as you can see, 87. OTO number 4, 97, access 200 plus AI templates done for you, for paid ads, scripts, and AI content repurposing tools. It's always a great idea to repurpose your content. So from a blog to a video and vice versa, or, a YouTube video, a long one, repurposing into, for TikTok, Instagram, Reels, YouTube Shorts, like long videos into short ones, that's what I meant. OTO number 5 is the agency. Manage 20 clients, up to 20 clients. There will be a few options, okay? Up to 20 clients, sell AI services and customize branding. So you can get the deal for $397, almost $400, which is a one-time payment, and it will give you access to all of the upsells that you find in this funnel. So if you want to go bonkers, then invest in the bundle deal. You'll never have to pay again. No recurring fees. And you get unlimited access to all of the features you will find inside of this beautiful dashboard. Right, guys, and of course you have AI templates. If I click on those, so much new stuff will come up. AI article wizard, so it's just going to create an article for your AI rewriter, and it will write in such a way as to, of course, avoid plagiarism, or in such a way that it will not be detected by Google, apparently, as AI written content. So, yeah, I guess I'll leave it at that, guys. Please go through my written review. You have all of the information here put together nicely to help you make an educated decision about this product. Alright, love you and leave you, and I shall see you very soon. Bye.